If you are needing to replace your MacBook Pro 13 charger, I have just the one that will work for you. This thing comes nicely packaged and it has everything you need. It has the cord with the two USB-C attachments. And here you have the outlet part. And you take it and go ahead and take off the tape and the plastic, everything that keeps it nicely packaged and sealed. This is a 61 watt adapter that can replace your 30 and 29 watt adapter. It has a 6.5 foot cord, so it has nice length to it to put on the desk or a side table, wherever you need. It will charge your MacBook Pro quickly. It will transfer files quickly. Everything you need to do can be done with this charger. This part is detachable if need be. Okay, and you can see the cord is nice, sturdy, and made well. This USB-C to C cable is ideal for charging, sequencing, and transferring data between USB-C devices. Support Max 3A current through. So if you need to replace your MacBook Pro charger, this would be a good option.